Let's talk about organizing and managing tasks and workflows. When inside an experiment card, you have the option to edit workflows, where you can create, edit, and manage the tasks. This was covered in the How to Create a Task and Workflow tutorial video. The zoom options allow you to switch between different task card views. To expand the canvas view, you can hide the navigation panel. Let's see what information you can find on a task card. Every task card has a name. Here you can check out when the due date is. If the task is overdue, the date will be in red. If it's due within 24 hours, it will be in yellow. Anything after that will be in black. If the date hasn't been set yet, you can do so by clicking on the Add Due Date. You can also change the existing due dates by clicking on the due date and changing the date and time. If a task has been completed, in review, or done, the date will show when it was completed. This cannot be modified. The status shows how far along we are in the particular task. This is the direction of the task status flow. The task can be moved between not started, in progress, completed, in review, and done. The last two are only available in plans that include electronic signatures. The avatar icon is where you can see who is assigned to the task. To assign additional members or edit the members already assigned to the task, you can do so when you enter the task card under the Details section. If you are assigned to a task, this is going to be reflected on your personal dashboard under the Dashboard tab. To view a task's activities, click on this icon. For more information about activities, watch the How to Search Through Activities tutorial video. You can view and leave comments on a task card by clicking on the Comments icon. Don't forget, you can use smart annotations here, the @ symbol to tag people, and the hashtag symbol to tag other areas or items inside SciNote. You can also color code and categorize your task by using tags. Please keep in mind that tags are project specific. To add a tag, click here. Create a new tag by typing a keyword. Choose a color you want to associate it with, and when you're happy with the tag, click the check mark. If a series of tags are already created, you can select which tags you would like to include. Once finished, click Close. To learn more about SciNote, continue watching our tutorial videos and explore the resources linked below.